So welcome back to another Trading 212 portfolio update. So today I'll be showing you how my portfolio's done over the last week and month or so. Just showing you all how my stocks are doing and just the usual type of format in the video. We've had a bit of a bloodbath in the stock market this week. Bloodbath per se, not like it's quite February 2020 or March 2020, but still a bit of a drop off. We're now back in the red in the portfolio, only by 1% or £33. So in the week I'm down probably just around over a percent, 2%, nothing too much. And in the month, I'm down around 1% as well. So not really too much, but we have seen the portfolio get up into the green, but then it's gone back down again. So there's a couple of stocks have done better and worse, and I've added into a position that I've struggling in, but I have big hopes for the future. As well as that, a couple of dividends I've also received this week. So we'll get into the actual stocks now. So the first one on the list is ABBV. I've been doing pretty solid for me, up a couple of percent in the last month, and as well in this last week, again, up over a couple of percent. Trading $119 at the moment. So I have 4.7 shares in this company, and I'm up 5.45% at the moment, or £21. And my average cost for this stock is £83, or $116. And ABBV, if we scroll down to the history, is a company who I received a dividend for this week. So it was on the 19th of August, and I received £3.03, and it was technically $1.30 per share, but with the withholding tax taken off, that's what it left me at. So that swiftly, plus a bit more because I had a bit of extra cash in the portfolio as well. So I invested £5.85 back into ABBV just to try and get that compounding going. So that's the first stock on the list, ABBV, and the next one we have is Apple, who is my biggest gainer overall at the moment. So we can see in the month, nothing too major of Apple, just up 1%. They've actually dipped off towards the second half of the week. From Monday, all week really, they've dipped. So it got up to $151 on the Monday, and since then we've just seen a slight dip, but we are actually still up from what they was at this time last week. Also, that was the month, this is the week. So they're down 0.99% this week, which isn't too much, and that one is the month, so still making gains. It's the last 3 months we're looking at, up 15.92%, which has seen me blast above my average cost dotted line, which you can see there. Long-term hold this stock, so I'm up £152 or 16.5% for the 10.05 shares that I own. And just like ABBV, I also got paid a dividend this week from Apple for £1.36. That was for 10 shares, more of a growth company, Apple, so a bit of a smaller dividend for the more shares. But again, it was swiftly reinvested again, and some £1.90 back into Apple. Every little helps when you're investing. So next up is one of my worst performing stocks, which is also kind of one of my favorite future stocks, which is BNGO, ticker symbol BNGO. Really struggled this week, down 7.56% on the week, and on the month down 14%. So again, this is a stock I've covered before, price target of between $11 and $14, which I do believe it will hit in the next year. Just got to have patience in this company, and once they do start making money, which I think they will in the near future with the Sapphire systems and other tools that they've got, I think this stock will skyrocket above 15 and beyond. So I did sell my BA Tobacco shares and purchased another 30 or 40 more shares of this stock. So I now own 167 shares, and I'm down 16.68%. But again, this is one I'm holding for the next 5 to 10 years minimum. So that's BNGO. And then next we have IBM Corporation. These have struggled also a bit this week, just down 3% in the week and 0.79% in the month. So I own 2 shares, and my average cost is £106, and I'm down just 4%. This is a bit more of a, they do get a bit of decent growth, but this is more of a dividend play. They have quite a high, not high yield, but they have a high payout, not really a high yield. Again, this is one we can try and build up and get that dividend, and also try and get a bit of that growth in there as well. So that's IBM. And then the final stock on the list is Tesla. Again, it's always a bit of a roller coaster ride with Tesla. This week they've struggled overall, down 5.25% after a great couple of weeks really. We did see us get up to above the 700 mark, but since that last Thursday, as you can see on there, we have dipped, and they went all the way down to 650. But they seem to be sort of picking it back up again. I'm live in the market today, they're up almost 1%, so we'll just have to wait to see how it goes for the rest of the day. So just over 2 shares owned at Tesla, and I'm down 6.49%. Again, this is another one. You can see it on the year. They did get up to the $880 mark, and I do believe they will go even further up than that in the coming future. So Tesla, I'm big on the EV players anyway. I think they are the revolution, not the revolution. They really are futuristic, and I think everyone will be driving EVs in the next 10 years. So got to have a bit of patience investing in a company like Tesla. Very volatile, but I'm willing to be a bit patient. So yeah, that is pretty much up for this week's update, guys. Just let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know what you think of the stocks, and any advice you'd like to give me, or any constructive feedback. I more than appreciate it. I'm still learning about investing in stocks, and just let me know if you like any of the picks. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment as well on the video. It really does help boost my channel out to more of an audience, and obviously help it grow. On that note, I'm going to leave you to it today, guys. Take care. Bye.